Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 7th General Knowledge part 18. So let's start this video. Knowledge Bank 4th. Cloning. Cloning means just like same to same. Cloning is a process of creating a life form which is a true copy of the original. The first clone prepared was that of the tadpole in 1951. Dolly is also clone ship. Dolly is also clone ship. Clones are prepared after many attempts and it is a very difficult and technical process. Means cloning is a process of creating the copy of the original. Means same to same copy of the original. This is called the cloning. And the first clone prepared was that of a tadpole in 1951. Dolly. Dolly is also called clone ship. Clone are prepared after many attempts in very difficult and technical process. Next one, nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a technological development to create very small structures size scale below 500 mm. 1 nanometer equal to 1 millionth of millimeter. Nanotechnology is found quite useful and effective in the field of electronics. Means nanotechnology is a technological development of creating very small structures size scale below 500 mm. 1 nanometer equal to 1 millionth of a millimeter. Nanotechnology is found quite useful and effective in the field of electronics. Next, William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was popularly known as Birds of Avon. George Bernard Shaw chose to be called GBS. A process in Germany to build robot which may be used to clear Earth orbit of dead satellite. Means a process is on Germany to build robot which may be used clear the Earth orbit dead satellite. Means those satellites are not working in Earth orbit, so Germany create robot to repair them. Next one is the NASA. NASA Spitzer Space Telescope has discovered the biggest but never seen ring around the pattern planet Saturn. Means NASA Spitzer Space Telescope has discovered the biggest and never seen ring around the planet Saturn. Means NASA find out discovered the biggest never seen ring around the planet Saturn. Next, the world most precious clock has been developed in USA. Most precious clock has been developed by USA. This new aluminum clock would neither gain nor lose even a second in billion year. Even a second of billion year, there are no any type of mistakes. Means there are no gain, no loss. Even second in million year. Not reflection of a second in a million years. So this is the world most precious clock has been developed in USA. This new aluminum clock would neither gain nor lose even a second in billions year. This is the clock. Next, ever wonder why? Fourth question. First, why does giraffe have a long neck? Why does giraffe have a long neck? The giraffe is the tallest of all living animals. A giraffe eats only plants, so its great height enables it to reach the leaves on tree which grow in tropical land. There where there it is a little grass. Means giraffe is the tallest of all living animals. A giraffe eats only plants, so its height enables it to reach the leaves of the tree, which grow in tropical lands where there is a small, a little grass. Question number second: why are rhinoceros becoming endangered? The rhinoceros are decreasing in number due to hunting and poaching. The horn of rhinoceros are very valuable. The poaching has reduced the number of black rhinos to around 2,500. That is the reason why rhinos are kept in protect them game park. Means rhinoceros are decreasing in number due to the hunting and poaching. The horn of the rhinoceros are very valuable. Poaching has reduced the number of black rhinos to around 2,500. This is the reason why rhinos kept protect game park. Because the horn of rhinoceros are very valuable, and this horn are used for medicines, and the value of this horn is very costly. So now present time black rhinos reduced near about 2,500, and rhinos are decreased in number due to the hunting and poaching. Why does cow chew its cud? A cow swallows the food quickly without chewing and run away to hide. In the safe place, it would chew the food at their leisure time. It is called the chewing, and the cud and animal are called the ruminants. This type of animals have complicated stomach with 5 compartments. Each of these compartments process the food. Other example of cud chewing animals are sheep, goat, camel, llamas, deer, antelopes. Camels find this form of the eating very useful for long desert journey. Means a cow swallow a food quickly without chewing and run away to hide in the safe place. It chew the food at her leisure time. It is called the chewing cuds, and the animals are called the ruminants. Such type of animal is called the ruminants. Those can swallow the food quickly without chewing, and after some time it would chew the food at leisure time. This type of animal have the complicated stomach with 5 compartments. Human being have 4 compartments, and such type of animals have 5 compartments. Each of these compartments process the food. So this cow chew its cud. Some examples of cud chewing animal are sheep, goats, camel, llama, deer, antelopes, etc. Means all these perform such type of functions, and this function is very useful for camel to find from the eating very useful to long desert journey. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Every students write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.